Hey there, bargain travelers! Ready to explore the world on a budget? Today I'm going to show you how to travel the world with only $1,000. Yes, you heard that right. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, planning and research are key. Without proper planning, your trip can quickly become stressful and expensive. Start by choosing affordable destinations. Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Central America are great options. These regions offer rich cultural experiences and beautiful landscapes without breaking the bank. Use websites like Skyscanner, Momondo, and Google Flights to find the cheapest flights. These platforms allow you to compare prices across multiple airlines and booking sites. Be sure to set up price alerts to get notified when fares drop. This can save you a significant amount of money. Be flexible with your travel dates to score the best deals. Traveling during off-peak seasons or midweek can often result in lower prices. Accommodation can be expensive, but not if you use platforms like Couchsurfing, Hostelworld, and Airbnb. These options provide a range of affordable stays. Whether you prefer the social atmosphere of a hostel, the comfort of a guest house, or the unique experience of staying with a local through Airbnb, there are plenty of budget-friendly options. Look for hostels, guest houses, or even volunteer programs where you can stay for free in exchange for work. Volunteering not only saves money but also offers a deeper connection to the local community and culture. Once you're in your destination, getting around doesn't have to break the bank. There are plenty of affordable options to explore the city and beyond. Use public transportation like buses and trains. They are not only cost-effective but also give you a chance to experience the local culture and meet new people. In many places, it's also cheap and easy to rent a bike or even walk. This way, you can enjoy the scenery and discover hidden gems at your own pace. For longer distances, consider budget airlines or overnight buses and trains, which save you a night's accommodation. These options are perfect for the frugal traveler looking to maximize their budget while still getting to see as much as possible. Next up, food. Eating out can add up quickly, so try to cook your own meals when possible. Visit local markets and grocery stores for fresh, affordable ingredients. When you do eat out, go where the locals go. Street food is not only delicious but also budget-friendly. Now let's talk about activities. Many destinations offer free or low-cost attractions. Explore parks, museums, and historical sites that have no entrance fee or are donation-based. Take advantage of free walking tours to learn about the city and meet fellow travelers. Here are some extra tips to stretch your budget even further. Travel during the off-season to get the best deals on flights and accommodation. Use travel rewards and points from credit cards. Look for work exchange programs like Woof or Workaway. Join travel communities and forums for insider tips and advice. So there you have it, bargain travelers. With these tips and tricks, you can make your dream of exploring the world a reality without breaking the bank. With careful planning, a bit of creativity, and a spirit of adventure, you can travel the world for just $1,000. Imagine the places you'll see and the experiences you'll have. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more budget travel tips. We have plenty more advice to help you travel smarter and cheaper. Happy travels, and see you on the road.